Hello everyone, I am Kashiru Mansare, an environmentalist from Freetown, Sierra Leone. I'm here to talk about air pollution, its causes, effects, and solutions to its problem in our societies and the world as a whole. The topic air pollution. When people think about air pollution, most immediately they picture the heavy smoke drifting over cities and industrial plants. Air pollution in its most basic definition is the introduction of harmful substances into the Earth's atmosphere. These substances linger and cause many adverse effects. As you know, humans and other living creatures rely on the atmosphere for respiration. So when the air quality is dampened by pollution, immediate and longer term consequences take place. Pollution has been known to cause allergies, disease, damage to crops, and in extreme cases, even death. In February 2018, Greenpeace came out with a report estimating air pollution-related premature death in the Philippines, which was 11,000 to 27,000 in that year alone. These so-called premature deaths are attributed to cardiovascular diseases, respiratory diseases, and lung cancer through exposure to PM 2.5 air pollution from fossil fuels and other sources. They also estimate that in 2007, close to 70,000 died prematurely due to ambient air pollution, said by the Deputy Executive Director of Clean Air Asia, Vasan Baturena. He also said that air pollution has been a big impact on the Philippines' GDP. Before I end, I would like you to know how all of us can contribute to reduce or stop air pollution in our environment and the world as a whole. One, we have to minimize the use of fossil fuel-powered automobiles. Be mindful of energy consumption. Become an advocate for clean energy. Recycling, which can also reduce air pollution. But however, understanding the causes and effects proves to be important so that we can determine how best to combat this air pollution. Reducing the use of fossil fuel-powered automobiles is clearly something that can help. Same with finding unique ways to reduce energy consumption. Before I go, I want to say thank you all for your absolute attention. God bless you.